The height adjust plate is part of a system that allows you to raise your edger so it can be used along a tall curb. The plate has a quadrant that locks the front wheel at a preset height. Over time, the quadrant can wear, causing the wheel lock to slip. The plate can be accidentally damaged and bent. Replacing the height adjust plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the adjustment lever. Now I'll lift the edger and place a 2x4 beneath the frame. Now I can remove the lever. Next I'll remove the spacer and the nylon washer. Now I have access to the bracket and I can go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new height adjustment plate. I'll reinstall the nylon washer and the spacer. I want to align the spacer so that the dot is on the top. I'll make sure that the axle shaft is pushed all the way through the bracket. Now I can reinstall the height adjustment lever. I'll align the indexed hole with the shaft. I'll rotate the front wheel up until the lever is indexed on the first pin. Then I'll make sure that the pin on the spacer is aligned with the small hole on the lever. Then I'll reinstall the washer and the nut. As I tighten this, I want to make sure that the lever lines up properly with the spacer and locks into the indexing positions. And that's all it takes to install a new height adjustment plate on your edger. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.